me for a second. We got 2 ohms on the load bank. This is not a speaker, it's a perfect 2 ohms. And we're gonna start turning this up. Let's see where it becomes dirty. All right, so 2 ohms, perfect, we're clean. Still looking good up there at about 417. 1100, we're still looking good up there. 2241, we're still clean up there. 28 and some change, 2872, looking perfectly clean. Okay, right at 3000 watts, it's getting ugly. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty ugly right now. Wow. Doing some crazy stuff at about 2800, just like you did on the low bank. But god damn, this room is rocking right now. Can you hear that over there, Brandon? Yeah, it's a little ugly. It's doing the Ronnie James Dio. See the Ronnie James Dio right there? 2700 watts at 3 ohms though. Let me see, where's it clean to? Bump this up to 100 hertz. See what happens at 100 hertz. Pretty clean up to 2700. Yeah, it starts to go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh shit! Oh yeah, I didn't like that. Hey Brando, did you see that? Oh, oh yeah, I didn't like that. Hey Brando, did you see that? Oh, it's still on fire, dude. Damn. Oh my god. Okay, that 100 hertz, it didn't like that. I don't know if it didn't like that or it didn't. Where?
Look, it's all on fire still.
I know, I'm aiming at it. I'm looking at it. Dang. Hey, all right, I'm not gonna blame the amp for that. I'm not gonna dog the amp out because that happened. I did that. I've been testing this amp and running it through, looking at it on the scope, and I pushed it a little hard. I know it was getting hot. I could feel the heat coming off it. I'm not gonna sit here and blame this amp for what I just did to it. I must have tested it at least 20 times and got it real warm before I decided to run it one more time at 100 hertz. It just couldn't take it anymore on the load bank. It'd probably still be alive if it were on an actual speaker. That being said, does anybody want this thing? I'll send it to the first person that names this amp and how much power it actually put out on the amp dyno at 100 hertz before it burnt up. This contest is open to anyone in the world, but you must live in the United States if you want that free shipping. Anyone outside of the USA must agree to pay for their own shipping if you really want it. It obviously does not work anymore. It's more of a trophy or a showpiece. Hang it up on the wall. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your notifications because the follow-up video to this one will be longer, show more testing, and reveal the name of the amp and all the power testing results. The winner will be announced on that video, not this one, as this is just a teaser. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I'm out. Just like this amp. Dang. Starts to go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh shit!